Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Spoken English course. Here I am going to share 5 important questions that you can use to speak English. Here's the first question. If you could have a chance to meet a person, that can be your favorite person, a celebrity or a public figure or any teacher or a doctor maybe. If you meet that person, what question would you ask him if you have to ask one question? The second question is, if you wake up tomorrow with a skill, unusual skill, just like a Spider-Man, you might have watched a movie. Spider-Man wakes up early in the morning and thinks that he has become a Spider-Man. You have to imagine that if you wake up early in the morning with an unusual skill, what skill would that be and how would it change your life? The third question is, what's a small everyday thing that brings a lot of happiness for you? For example, you meet someone and you become so happy, and you read some books, you become so happy. When you watch a movie, you become so happy. What is that one thing that makes you too much happy? And the fourth question is, if you were a book, you just have to imagine that's an unreal situation. If you were a book, what chapter would define you? The book has different chapters, and every chapter tells something. And what title or what chapter do you think can define your life? Okay, the last question is, if you get a chance to deliver a lecture at university level, what topic would you choose? What topic do you think is important for university students to learn about, to understand, and why would you choose that topic? Here are 5 questions. Basically, we are working on your speaking skills, and here are 60 lectures basically in this series. All are based on questions. After completing this session, I would start talking about grammar rules, complex sentences, complex structures. So that would definitely help you improve your English. Thank you. Bye bye.